Duncan Muratia wa wandi Evurore na Muruna we Peterson Njero wa wandi ya Muminji mevitithirwe ni Speaker Jose Athiriku ciikaro cia bunge ya Embu mbere ya mwingi arata andu a mucie na mumbunge mutumia wa kaunti ya Embu Njoki Njeru.
Peterson Njero Jiro Chuai Tuswaya that I shall always truly and diligently
kwivitithwa kwao kurongerera namba ya tongoria aria mathuritwo na tigiti wa kiama kia UDA bunge ria Embu kume 18 nginya 16 kunyua muma kwao kumanite na uvotani uria magire thini ithurano nini cia wandi iria ciatabanirwe tariki 26 mweri uvitukite na kwanirirwa ta votani ni kamiti ya ithurano ya IEBC.
I, Duncan Muratia, do swear that I shall always truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya.
Duncan Muratia asindire na kura 7,853 thini wa wandi Evurore, nake Peterson Njero akivotana na kura 3,207 thini wa wandi ya Muminji. Kumana na kwivitithwa kwao mutongoria waria engi mbunge ya kaunti Peter Mureithi akiranira agakorwo agitara atongoria cio airi niguo kumavotithia gukinyanithiria ciraniro iria marutire kwi mwingi na niguo magakorwo na kavinda kavuthu makirirwo iturwa icio ringi mwaka wa 2027 na tigiti wa kiama kia UDA. Kuna riuguo mutongoria waria anini bungeri iyo Ngarimbaka gitara atongoria cio a wandi ya Muminji na Evurore mevariria gukang'ethirwo ni kavinda karito githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 ni tondu wandi icio igiri wa kavinda ka miaka mingi kiama kia Devolution Empowerment Party nikio gikoragwo na itemi nene.
The campaign is over. Now you are here. You do what the people of Muminji and Evurore that Mr. Speaker have assigned you to come and do in this house, Mr. Speaker. Because, Mr. Speaker, in 2027 now, they will be counting some of projects that you promised to them, Mr. Speaker, you do for them, Mr. Speaker. And like Mr. Speaker, I'll give them all my necessary support as a legal majority, so that, Mr. Speaker, they will fulfill, Mr. Speaker, the promises that I gave to their citizens, Mr. Speaker.
Atongoria cio airi mekaririte ituro iria ciatigirwe ni Duncan Mbwe uria wa MCA wa wandi Evurore na Newton Kariuki uria wa MCA wa wandi Muminji aria matiganirie ituro icio niguo makaruvuranire gituro kia mumbunge wa Mbeere North no ati magitwika gucindwa ni Leonard wa Muthende. Vandore va Kameme TV ni ciikaro cia bunge ya Embu ni Bita Dennis Fundi.